Hey YouTubers, K here from the Brain Booster Academy. Welcome to the first video of the series wherein I'll tell you all you need to know on how to crack the heck out of the GRE and GMAT Quant section and how I scored 169 out of 170 in the Quant section by studying just for 15 days. So let me first clarify that I am a working professional and I gave roughly 3-4 hours for my preparation. So if you're not working presently or have a couple of weeks to spare, you can easily do this. I also don't think that there is any need for going for any of those paid coaching classes for GRE and GMAT. Don't even bother. Just follow these 5 steps that I'll be telling you and you're all set. So number one is self-assessment. It is very important to know how good you are with the basic mathematics or whether English is your comfort zone. Self-assessment will help you regardless of what score or college you're targeting. So don't be sad if initially you don't get a good score, because let's take it this way. The lower the score is, the easier it is to improve. So let's say if you get 140 initially, it is far more easier to reach 155 or even touch 160. But once you cross 160, things get pretty challenging. So take note of that. Self-assessment is very important initially. Point number two would be setting up a timeline. Now, this is important as a person is always tense even till the last moment. You need that hustle to push yourself the extra mile in the last few days, and based on your score and your target score, it would be wise to set a GRE date quite early. Personally, I would prefer setting it somewhere around 1/3 of your preparation timeline. So, if you say you plan to study for a month, definitely set it within the first 10 days. Also, take note that not all centers have availability throughout the year, so that needs to be factored in. So don't unnecessarily delay it, do it as soon as possible. Point number three is my favorite point. My videos. So why am I saying that my videos are really important is because these are all the theoretical knowledge that you will possibly need. I will be making videos on each of the topics, and that is it. That is all you need to know in maths for the theoretical part. Practice is something definitely you need to focus on after that. So please don't waste your money on any of those coaching classes. They are an utter time and money waste. Counseling is something that varies from person to person, but coaching is something that you just give into it out of fear. So don't do that. Verbal, you just cannot improve overnight. I personally memorized 2,500 words from multiple coaching institutes that my friends visited, and frankly speaking, it doesn't help that much. So my videos will be short and precise. They're good enough for all the quants that you can possibly need. Go through all the pointers, write them down, just revise them once daily, and you are set. Point number four would be buying the £5 Manhattan GRE prep book. Now, I'm not advertising it, but this is an investment that you should consider making. I personally prefer the physical copies. Some are okay with the ebooks. Well, that is your call, but definitely have this. Practice is the key in GRE, and that is what I did. I was good with my concepts, which I will share in this video series, and after that, I just practiced. So just watch my videos and practice, and trust me, this is the way you are good to go. Point number five is free mocks. Now I'm adding the word free because with the amount of practice that you will be getting through the GRE book of Manhattan, you do not actually need mocks for practice. Having said that, you definitely need mocks, to just get adjusted with the way how you will be giving GRE, sitting for that long, getting used to the entire time process and everything. That helps. It is not for practice. So just grab onto the free mocks that all the coaching institutes and portals they give to advertise their product. ETS itself gives you 2 mocks, and this will help you also assess yourself, which I mentioned in the first point of self-assessment. And apart from that, you should just distribute the mocks throughout your preparation phase. I personally gave 5 mocks. I would also suggest you guys not to give any more than 8 mocks. That is more than enough. So that's it. So these are the 5 points that will help you sail through the quants like I did. So hey, do hit the like button because I know you did. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because you do not want to miss any updates on my videos if you are a serious candidate. Also, the comment section is open for the regular criticisms, the questions, and the chitter chatter. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.